Hi friends, today I am here to solve your problem and I will show you how to install any apps and software in your PC. Let's watch it. Suppose you can click it or you can click it. No difference. Result is same. You can open and okay. I just show it like an example because all of apps and software in laptops or PC install system are same, always same, no problem. Mainly for Windows 10. Next, next, you can edit it like your as you wish, no problem. And here I click this button install, and after everything completed, it will takes the permission to you that will you want to change to your device or not, and I want it there, so I will click yes and it's finished. Now we will see how does it work. You see that download is here. If you click it, every download will show it. So it's a very useful software, and I also show you how to uninstall it. Recently I installed it, so it is visible in here and printed here. You can also print to start from here and you can uninstall from here, and very easy. Select it, click this right button of your mouse and select uninstall. It also asks you, do you want to make sense to your device because you want to uninstall it from your PC, and I will click yes. Finish. And here is my video. Uninstall is complete. And guys, if you like my video, if my video is beneficial for you, if my video is good for you, and if you get benefit from my channel videos, please subscribe my channel and click this subscribe button and stay with me. Thank you.